you doing, Gandy Bird? You having a good day out here? Huh? Hey, Gandy Bird. What you got to say? Ooh. You don't know what to make of that camera, do you? Huh? What's that? You want to sing some yo-ho? Yo-ho, yo-ho. Gandy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you're a classy girl. Are you shy? Gandy. Oh. What was that? What? Huh? Are you talking to me? You talking to me? Gandy Bird. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You do not know what this thing is, do you? No. Gandy. Gandy. Who's a big bird? A little creeped out by the camera? What's that? You silly girl. Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, we'll do this again. It's nice out today though, huh? What do you think, Gandy? It's nice out, huh? It's nice and warm. Yeah. You want your fruit, don't you? Are you dancing? Are you dancing? Are you gonna dance? Are you gonna dance for us? Gandy. What are you doing? Oh, you're gonna eat the lights, are you, huh? I don't think that'll work out so good. Okay, let's go get your fruit. You want your fruit.